Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Dell 22 series monitor, and now I can show you how to check your DisplayPort capability on this device. So firstly, you need to click on one of the navigation buttons, but not on the power button, but on one of the navigation small buttons. Then click on this button to open settings. And here you will see all settings. So using this button, scroll down and here click on the right button. Now click on the right arrow button again to display your display information. And here you will see your DisplayPort capability. As you can see, here I have DisplayPort 1.2. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.